22nd of '06. This was January the 22nd.
And before surgery, just tell me basically your whole story that you had.
Well, basically, my knees were so bad, the pain was so bad, I couldn't hardly stand it. And when I go play golf, it would feel like I was walking around with marbles in between them. When I bend over and raise up, it would feel like they were. It almost made me faint. The pain was so bad. Well, I was told about 12 years ago it's time for knee surgery. Well, I finally bit the dust, and I decided, to have them done. And this one has absolutely turned out great. I played golf 2 weeks after I had this one done, and on this one here, it was a little tougher than the other one because it was in the winter time. But I played golf just a little bit over 2 weeks, between the second and third week with it. I played 30 holes of golf, and now that's probably, a lot of people wouldn't do that, and it was a little bit sore the next day, but it went away pretty quick. But the amazing thing about it was that I hit the golf ball further than I ever hit it in my life. I hit one drive, the 30th hole that I played, and the only reason we quit playing with 30 that day was because it got dark on us. But the 30th hole of golf that I played that day, I hit a ball a little bit over 300 yards. I've never hit a ball 300 yards. I'm a big man, but I couldn't turn because of the pain in my knees. But I actually hit a ball over 300 yards, and I've got 9 witnesses to that. The night we all got together and played the last hole together. But my knees have just done absolutely fantastic, and I pushed them a little bit and tried to exercise a lot and do what the doctor told me. But it's really paid off.
But didn't you have back surgery also at one point?
Well, yes, I did. I had back surgery, had a cyst on the spine, which I didn't know, and finally I went to a neurosurgeon, and he told me, he said, you got a cyst on the L4. They took that off, and I felt about 10 years younger. And I'm 58 now, but I really believe when this knee gets to feeling good, I believe I feel like I'm 38 again. It feels, if it does like this one, I'll be leaping tall buildings with a single bounce. That's kind of the way I feel anyway.
It's just amazing, like I said. He's been able to play golf in 2 weeks. It's just been moved right along. But it's a matter of will,
Right.
Purely will.
Well, when I played those 30 holes of golf, I was careful.
Sure you were.
I didn't go out and jump, and I was careful when I was walking off the tees, made sure I didn't fall or anything like that. But I was so amazed, and all my buddies were, about how I could turn, because the pain, there's just zero pain. I mean, that's the hard thing. Your mind keeps looking for that pain.
Sure.
And it did that with this, and it took me, I would say 3 months, maybe 4, before I got where I quit looking for that pain. And when I turned, I kept looking for that pain. That pain wasn't there. And my leg was tight because of the, still had swelling, but it felt good.
Well, look, we want to see you back here in about 2 months.
Okay.
And just follow you up. Be careful. Again, as I said, no heavy pounding.
Right.
Don't overdo it.
Right.
Which you could. But the golf's fine and the walking's fine.
Well, as long as golf and walking and bicycling and swimming, that's what I.
No problem.